So they spent their whole lives preaching. Nuh alayhi salam. فلبث فيهم ألف سنة إلا 50 عاما. 950 years of consistent, insistent, persistent preaching. قال رب إني دعوت قومي ليلا ونهارا. O Lord, I called my people night and day. And I called them secretly, and I called them publicly, and I whispered, do you see? This is consistent for 950 years. What message did Nuh preach? So the Quran says, لَقَدْ أَرْسَلْنَا نُوحًا إِلَىٰ قَوْمِهِ فَقَالَ يَا قَوْمِ اعْبُدُوا اللَّهَ مَا لَكُم مِّنْ إِلَٰهٍ غَيْرُهُ. O my people, worship Allah alone. Besides Him, there is no being worth worshipping. Do you see? The focus of the mission was to correct the belief and make it about the oneness of the Dhul Arsh al-Majid. So the first part, the most important aspect of faith, if you want to find peace, find your Lord properly. وإلى عاد أخاهم هودا قال يا قوم اعبدوا الله ما لكم من إله غيره. To the people of Ad we sent Hud alayhi salam his message, O people, worship Allah alone. وإلى ثمود أخاهم صالحا قال يا قوم اعبدوا الله ما لكم من إله غيره. And to the people of Thamud we sent Salih. Again, prophet after prophet after prophet, they came with this. Correct your belief with regards to Allah Rabbul Izzah. Worship Allah alone. Direct ibadat. Know your Lord, dear ones. And I say this with an immense amount of confidence. A heart will not find peace till it finds its master. Write it. A heart will not find peace till it finds its master. A heart will not find peace till it finds its master. Before you are sent to this planet, in your current form, Allah Rabbul Izzah gathered all the children of Adam. And He asked them, Alastu bi rabbikum? Am I not your Lord? Am I not your master? Am I not the only being worthy of worship? So there, before being sent here, you all responded, Bala, yes indeed, Shahidna, we swear. That programming, dear ones, was engraved in the essence of your being. When you come into this planet, the heart calls back to its master. And imagine the calamity where you don't know the master. So you're bowing down to an elephant here, and a cow here, and a guru here, and a saint here, and a buzurg here, and a grave here, sweetheart. Ar-Rahman, Allah Rabbul Izzah is left. The sovereign that stamped your heart, and you're turning to these things. And I'll give you a test, so that you know what I am saying is true. Put man in difficulty. Put him under duress, like a tornado, or when he's drowning, or when he's in serious difficulty. You will see his real programming come out. You see the human head. You have the conscious mind, which is the one dealing with you now. Then you have the subconscious mind. It quietly works on problems and then brings it to the forefront. Then you have the unconscious mind, deep hardwired programming inside your essence. You only tap into it under duress. So under real duress, watch man, see who he turns to. Under duress, and I watched footage after footage of man in deep waters, metaphorical, in trouble, man in deep waters, and he only says, oh God, oh God. قال تعالى فإذا ركبوا في الفلك دعوا الله مخلصين له الدين. When they're in deep waters, in difficulty, they call out to me, مخلصين, in sincerity, exclusivity, only to me. فَلَمَّا نَجَّاهُمْ إِلَى الْبَرِّ إِذَا هُمْ يُشْرِكُونَ. When I bring them back to the islands, when I save them, then again they say the ship saved me, and uncle saved me, and thank God that Trincaman saved me. إِذَا هُمْ يُشْرِكُونَ. Do you see the programming is there, deeply hardwired in your system, the oneness of your Lord.